Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is PureReviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you have high-powered electronics, or maybe you just got the new Nintendo Switch. And it is the microSD Express card by Samsung. So it's going to come in this little envelope right here. As you can see, it is featuring the Nintendo Switch 2. Now, what makes the microSD Express card different from the microSD cards? And essentially, the answer to that is the writing and reading speed. These cards are now more equivalent to an SSD drive when it comes to the various speeds. So once you open it up, it's going to be the same size. You're going to get this little itty bitty card that you will be able to put in your electronics. Like I said, the Nintendo Switch, if you have a cell phone that happens to take an SD card slot, or maybe you have an action cam or a 360-degree cam, these are going to be great because they're going to be able to record that 4K and 8K footage super fast. So speaking of speeds, this thing is going to be able to do 600 to 900 megabits per second as far as those read speeds. Now, compared to the old Max SD cards, those kind of maxed out at around 300 megabits per second. So that kind of gives you an idea of the distance. Now, as far as max writing speed, you're going to get about 650 megabits per second. So it's a lot faster. Now, the particular card I have here is a 256 gigabyte card. So it can hold plenty of footage and photos, or if you're having a gaming system, it can hold plenty of gaming storage. Now, the big thing is this is an express card. So if you're looking for different types of brands, what you need to make sure that it has is it has the EX symbol right on the front of the card. Do not get this confused with cards that say basically extreme. The extreme is more for weather stuff. It is not the fast writing speed. So you need to look for the words express or look for the EX symbol when you're getting your cards. But overall, they have the same type of protections as far as the weather, the dropping, the x-rays, if you're going to the airport, all that fun stuff. They hold up really well to those cards. But more importantly, they are super fast and more like what you would expect as an SSD hard drive. So go ahead and upgrade your drones, your action cameras. If you have a Nintendo Switch 2, this is an absolutely must. If you are in the market for a new micro SD card and you want something fast, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.